This young male has snare wire wrapped around his palm. Soon, he'll lose his hand. And his own mother's hand bears the same scars. With such serious injuries, they both could have died. But bonobos show great empathy. If one is injured, it will be cared for. Having friends is everything. Zoe can't afford to wait a moment longer to make one. A baby invites her to play, but Zoe's more interested in its mom, who looks like she could do with some help. Susie is a high-ranking female, a valuable ally. So, Zoe approaches. Grooming is a way to build bonds. Zoe's more used to being groomed, but she makes the first tentative touches of a new friendship and gestures for a groom back. Susie's baby wants to cement the bond the bonobo way. A game of tag. And Susie joins in. No bonobo is too old or important to play. She has a friend in Susie, and Camillo's looking over. Two things to smile about.